Sound check, everybody. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Yes, everybody, sorry I'm late. I had a medical checkup this morning, so I'm sorry I'm late. 2 hours late. Well, we're still here, right? Happy Friday. Ooh, Friday 13th. Wow, Friday 13th, right? No, I'm just joking. Alright, everybody, so let's finish strong. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. This is the Forex and Crypto Trading Course 101. The goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. What does this mean? This is this picture. You are first an analyst, everybody. Forex course 101, it's all about the market. It's going to take you 1 year if you're coachable to learn how to lose less, and then you're welcome. You know, if you've been around the block for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years plus, then you're welcome to join the Advanced Institutional Trader program called the Forex course 202. Which is all about the business, what tools institutions are using to make money. It's called the money phase. Okay, and then Forex course 303, you don't need to, 90% of us, me too, we don't need this. Make sense? This is for the people, the traders who come to Forex course 202 and they are not making it still. Because it's psychology. You know, because Forex course 303, it's all about the trader. Why some traders are driving Lambos and others are buying pizza. Okay, everybody, you don't need this Forex course 303. It's not for everybody. 90% of us, we don't need this. That being said, this is the website if you want to check, if you want to get the free book, this one, the Little Book of Trading Secrets, everybody. Otherwise, if you want to receive the Forex Course 101 manual for free, just send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. And we are running currently, everybody, we are running the Fibonacci Mastery course. In October the 4th, we are going to have it's going to be 2 weeks, maybe 3, depends on the questions. We're going to have the workshop, not a seminar, not a course, it's a workshop, something that you're going to be actively doing. How to build a trading system that makes money. Guaranteed, you can call me out, alright, you have the recording. 90% of trading systems are incomplete. Okay, everybody? Boss, I don't know, this is for me. If you don't have time, everybody, so Fibonacci, right? Fibonacci, just an example, Fibonacci traders need time to look for alignments and so on. If you don't have time to trade, get my system, all right? Cost it $500, early payments, you have 30% off. We are doing this on Skype, sometimes on Zoom. Okay, everybody, and risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We're here to learn. And never forget, you are in a course and you are going to graduate from this course when you have your charts set up and ready for trading. You have your strategy in place, you understand how you win, how you lose, and you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Because it's Friday and most of people are partying already, everybody, let me give you a present. What currency that it's connected to currency pairs right now, it's the no-brainer and the most easy to make some money? What do you think? Everybody, if you study the charts and if you understand lesson number 1, okay, yes, technical, yes, this it's all me. Everybody, if you studied lesson number 1, you have two currencies that translate to currency pairs. Boss, I don't understand. So if I say, everybody, you have two currencies, and then I say, and those currencies translate to currency pairs. Let's say that I said euro. All right, euro, it's a currency. So then would be euro New Zealand, euro dollar, euro JPY, euro GBP. Make sense? You have two currencies right now that it's very easy to make big bucks. I mean big bucks. But emotionally, beginner traders or intermediate traders, we are not very emotional, so most likely you are not going to take the advantage. Make sense? Most likely you don't quite understand risk. Most likely you don't quite understand how to learn about risk. We have courses that are going to teach you. Okay, everybody? Let me tell you a story about a friend of mine. He's my student, Eraldo. Eraldo, it's 6 years in the advanced course. Now, good news, he is not losing accounts anymore, all right? But he is not making consistent, and I didn't say in the right place, I didn't say in the correct way. He's not making, so he's consistent, but he's not making the big money, make sense? He's not breaking accounts anymore, but he's unable to make big money, like 20% per year, 30% per year, 40% per year plus. Oh, why is that? Because he didn't learn emotionally how to understand risk. But this is a conversation for Forex course 202. All right, the advanced institutional trader course. Okay, everybody, so did you do the homework? Check your losers and try to figure out how many times would you have winners if you would just put the stop loss in a different place. Not any place, but an appropriate place that you're the pattern that you're trading. What makes the money is the appropriate. Yes, what makes the money is the stop loss. The stop loss makes the money. Yes, you have two currencies that translate to currency pairs that are right now, but one it's extremely easy to make big money. Extremely easy. I'm talking about, sure, I'm talking technically, right? Emotionally and risk-wise, it's a different story. Who knows, everybody, who are those currencies? We talked about this before I went on vacation this year. And you would not believe me, I really am sorry, you know, it's just 2 months, it's too long. 2 months vacation is too much. I mean, I enjoyed, but getting back in shape, you know, back to trading and all that. Oh, man. Sam, there you go. CHF and JPY. And which one is the no-brainer, Sam? Which one is the easiest? One it's a little bit more challenging, the other one it's easy. The yen, exactly. Everybody, so remember, this stream is not trading advice, okay? But let's check a few charts. Let's check about AUDJPY, okay? And remember, this is 101 course. In the advanced course we have the index course too, so you can increase your profits, you know, speed up your profits. Everybody, lesson number 1 of the Forex course for the last 5 years. Where is AUDJPY on the monthly chart? Where is AUDJPY on the monthly chart, everybody? Sam, are you shorting AUDJPY? Not just Sam on YouTube, but everybody else on the other streaming platform. Are you shorting the yen pairs, all of them? Are you shorting the yen? Yes, very good. I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you, Sam. So lesson number 1 about what is the Forex market, right? We are at the upper band. Okay, so today it's how to trade pivot points in a downtrend. Now, let's try to find some. So we don't see the future, right? So just for the charting sake, you know, this would be resistance. So down in here, everybody, this would be a pivot point, and we can leave it blue. Come on, there you go. So we can leave it blue, and maybe up in here, not sure about, this is high, it's, oh, it's a low, so this is a pivot point too, everybody. And let me see in between in here if there are any pivot points. Are there any pivot points in here? Up and down. Okay, so maybe one more. This low is going to hit this high. Okay, everybody, so this is the monthly chart. Now we are going to go on the daily chart. On YouTube, Sam, do you want the daily chart or do you want the 4-hour chart? What chart do you want? 1 hour, 2 hour? See, everybody, where this reacted? Boss, but it didn't hit. It's an area, it's not aligned to the pip. It's an area. It's an area, everybody. 4-hour chart, sure. We go to the 4-hour chart, everybody. Alright, so market wave on the 4-hour chart, everybody. So this knowledge you should have acquired so far. Market wave on the 4-hour chart, extension, then you have a short-term uptrend, so extension, retracement, extension, down to here, retracement, extension, retracement, up to here, everybody. See, where did this market? Today we're talking about pivot points in a downtrend, but see, everybody, how this market reacted to what level. Now I'm going to color code in yellow. So this is the market wave now on the 4-hour chart on AUDJPY. Okay, now and now we can chart on the 4-hour chart. We can chart on the 4-hour chart. We can chart on the 4-hour chart when the retracement stopped, right? We can go to high to low, low to high, high to low. The next candle, right? Not the same candle. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. So this is the short-term trend, everybody, on the AUDJPY 4-hour chart. Okay. Now, who remembers the theory from the manual? How pivot points react? You have a bullish pivot point and you have a bearish pivot point. Today we're talking about pivot point in a downtrend. The market is going to come from above. It's going to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. It's going to hit the pivot point area. It's going to react higher highs, higher lows. And then it's going to break the pivot point. And then it's going to go back and retest this pivot point before it's going to continue back down. So here are your opportunities, everybody. All right. Opportunity number 1 equals to profit take at the PP pivot point when you see a change in the short-term trend What does this mean? Texture up. All right. When you see the change in the short-term trend, opportunity number 1, profit take at the pivot point when you see a change in the short-term trend on the smaller time frame. This is number 1. Hedge fund trader Sam. Hedge fund trader Sam. If you are trading the 4-hour chart, on what time frame are you going to see the change in the short-term trend for you to get out in a fairly good place? No? Everybody, it's divided by 6, if I'm not mistaken. So 15 minutes work with 1 hour, 30 minutes works with 4 hours. 30 minutes, everybody. Sam, pen and paper, 30 minutes. It's your time frame. So this is opportunity number 1, profit take at the pivot point when you see a change in the short-term trend on the smaller time frame. If you're on the 4-hour chart on YouTube is Sam, so your smaller time frame is a 30-minute chart. Everybody look in here, right? If you would short the market on the 4-hour chart, AUDJPY, and then if you would wait for the 4-hour chart to make higher highs, higher lows, look how much profit would you give back to the market. Can you see it? Now, if I go on the 30-minute chart, yes, this is the skill that you are learning. Yes, exactly. You are learning how to think. Download those videos from Dukascope Academy and re-watch it a few times. Now, if you would go on the 30-minute chart, everybody, low to high, high to low, low to high. Or if you want a relevant high, is this one on the 30-minute chart. See the difference in giving back to the market? See the difference, everybody? Now if I go back to the 4-hour chart, see everybody? If you would go with relevant highs and lows, you would give back to the market, compared to the 4-hour chart, you would give back to the market half. And if you go with the short-term trend, meaning the market's not making lower lows or highs anymore on the 30-minute chart, but higher highs, higher lows, then you would give to the market just 30%. Just graphically, right? 30%. Still half? Graphically, at least it looks like to me it's 30%. Give me a second, everybody. Maybe I'm wrong. Clone. Oh, it's still half. Yeah, because it retraces in here. Okay, so you would make 50% more money. You would pocket 50% more money if you would micromanage your trade on the 30-minute chart compared to the 4-hour chart. Can you see it? Any questions so far? So this is one. Opportunity number one is this one, right? Opportunity number one. Opportunity number one, profit take at the pivot point when you see a change in the short-term trend on the smaller time frame. All right. Opportunity number two. Opportunity number two equals to wait for a retracement, wait for a retracement on the pivot point that will go to some past resistance and short the CTB, which stands for the counter trend and break. Hello Gil, how are you? Opportunity number two, everybody. Wait for the retrace. So this is number one, right? Number one is here. The circle. Opportunity number two, everybody, is wait for the retracement on the pivot point that will go to some past resistance, like up in here. No, not this one. Give me a second. Something like this. Blue and like this, maybe like this, like this. Opportunity number two, wait for a retracement on the pivot point, so market making higher highs, higher lows, that will go to some past resistance and short with the counter trend and break. Mo, where are you from? How long have you been trading? And everybody, if this is your first time with us, please go back on Dukascopy Academy and start to watch lesson number 1. If this is your first time, everybody, give me a second. This is a course, right? So Dukascopy Academy. Yeah, just quickly, don't worry. It's Friday, you know, the internet it's on vacation. Okay, everybody, this is Dukascopy Academy. You click playlist. And you have, so this year's it's Forex and Crypto 101. Before it was full systematic Forex course. This is me. It's the same knowledge, everybody. Professional Trader Course 2023. You know, it's same knowledge. Okay, everybody, if you want. Forex Course 101 2022. Forex 101 2021. Okay, so you can start, if you are new, you can start with Forex and Crypto Course 101, or if you don't want to wait, you can go to full systematic Forex course. You have all the lessons in here already. Okay, Mo. Otherwise, you can join this one and partake with the live lessons, so you can ask questions, everybody. And Gil, if you didn't receive the manual, send me an email. It's for free. And if you want the, where is the picture? Not this one, not this one. And if you want the little book of trading secrets, it's for free too. You know, you have the mind traps. Why we are not making it, everybody, we're all the same. Okay, you can check the website. All right, back to class, everybody. And remember, in October we have the how to build a system that makes money. It's going to be a workshop. So opportunity number 2, wait for a retracement on the pivot point that will go to some past resistance. Type on here and short the counter trend line break. Everybody, did the market react to the pivot point? So we chart pivot points as per lines on the monthly chart, but we understand that this is not a line, those are areas, right? Everybody, did the market react to this pivot point area, yes or no? Question number 2, if I was charting the market wave in the correct way, wasn't this the past resistance from the market wave on the 4-hour chart? Boss, you're going too fast. All right, let's slow down. Thank you for the comment. Everybody, let's go. Thank you. Yes, you tell me if I'm moving too fast. Just tell me, all right? So question number 1. Did the market react to this pivot point area and start to go into retracement on the yellow market wave, yes or no? Student traders on YouTube, please talk to me. I'm a nice guy. And it's Friday. And if you want to make big money, technically speaking, this stream is not trading advice. You can short right now all the yen pairs. Technically very easy to trade. Emotionally something different. All right. all the yen pairs are, not all of them, but most of the yen pairs are at the monthly bands. So long-term direction is short, not long. Boss, how much should I risk? I don't know. The risk, it's up to you. Me personally, I'm risking 5% on those. Those are called, everybody, position trades. Make sense? Me personally, I'm risking 5%, but there is a lot of knowledge behind. If you risk 0.5%, it's still good. 1% still good. But remember, the market must wave, so it's going to go against you too. No, this is not a strategy. You learn about the strategy in the Forex course 202. The money phase. Here we are learning about how to understand this market, how to understand the long-term direction, how it works, how to learn and understand the short-term direction, the medium-term direction. We are trying to understand that two different traders, one sitting in Japan and one in Finland, one is going to sell the market in here, you know, or down in here. The other one is going to buy the market down in here, and both can win, and also both can lose. Hedge fund trader Sam and hedge fund trader Mo, did the market reacted on AUD/JPY to this pivot point area and went back up, hard highs, hard lows? What do you think? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? How can you see? How do you see? What do you see? Yes, exactly, right? Now, and then if I'm here and I see that this is the relevant low from the market wave, I'm going to project, meaning I don't know where the market is going to reverse. Maybe in here the market is going to reverse, and if not in here, the market is going to reverse. So I'm just monitoring the market with the trend line. We've learned trend lines, everybody. I'm monitoring the market with the trend line and monitoring the market with the trend line until it changes the short-term trend. Monitoring the market with the trend line. I'm going to readjust the uptrend line, and I'm going to monitor the market, and I'm waiting for the change in the short-term trend again. And all right, so here, everybody, do we have or don't we have a change in the short-term trend with the counter trend line break in here? Yes or no? Boss, can I retracement trade? Sure, but today it's a different class. Yes, you can go long up in here and make some money. Just watch the recordings from the previous lessons. We talked about timing and retracement trading. Everybody, do we have a change in the short-term trend with the counter trend line break on the yellow? Yes or no? YouTube students, student traders on YouTube, what about you? Hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Gil. Did the market show us lower low, lower high, lower low, and the counter trend line break at past resistance? Yes or no? Hello Date, how are you? Yes. So would it be wrong if I'm shorting the market here and I put the stop loss above the market wave? Can you do this, everybody? And if this is one, graphically, if I'm going to risk €1, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Lambo, and I want to go after 2, can you do this? Can you think like that, everybody? Confidence comes with you studying the charts and trying to implement what we are learning in here, everybody. I know I'm keep repeating myself, you know, and I know I'm boring. I'm telling you every day, download the videos from Duca's Copy Academy and rewatch it 2 or 3 times with pen and paper, and when you see a concept or a trading rule, study the charts and come back with questions. You can also judge me, you know, oh no, you know, this doesn't work, I don't agree with you, it's all right, it's all good. Make sense, everybody? I love the non-believers, those are the best students. Oh really? Well, when somebody doesn't believe he's open, he or she, they are open to conversation, and we can talk about, okay, what is bothering you, you know, how is it the market? So everybody, can you do this? Can you spot, can you draw a counter trend line? Can you chart the market wave and a counter trend line break? You know, can you short the market in here? This is how you take advantage of the market. And the market pushed up, see in here? The market pushed up, I need to readjust my counter trend line again. And I'm going to wait for the same, I'm going to wait for the change in the short-term trend. My stop loss is still in the safe place. My stop loss is on the pattern traded. Can you do this? And I'm going to wait. So if I didn't enter in here, everybody, then I have high to low, low to high, high to low again. So I have another opportunity to enter the market in here. Stop loss up in here, still the same. Right? And how it is going so far? Are we making pips and money, everybody? So this is theory. This is theory, everybody. All right? This is the live market. Any questions so far? How to trade pivot points in a downtrend? Opportunity number 3. Opportunity number 3. Opportunity number 3 equals to wait for the market to break. Hopefully my grammar is correct. Breakthrough. Everybody, if you are a native English speaker, help me out with English. Breakthrough. Through. I'm not sure if this is the correct English. Breakthrough. Wait for the market to break through the PP, the pivot point, plus wait for the retracement until past resistance, which is going to be on the other side of the PP, of the pivot point. and then short again with the counter trend and break. So everybody, the first opportunity is the first circle, the second opportunity is the second circle, the third opportunity is here. Wait for the market to break through the pivot point, okay, which is not, let's put a pivot point, so this would be the pivot point right here. Let's color code this in blue and like this. Okay, so, and we're going to put here the text. Pivot point area. Pivot point area. So here the market is going to break through, right? Opportunity number 3 is here. Opportunity number 3, wait for the market to break through the pivot point. So let me do something, everybody. So this is the pivot point area, and like this, and violet, and all right. Everybody take a screenshot photo with your cell phone, print it out and glue it to your charts when you study the market. Opportunity number 3, wait for the market to break through the pivot point, plus wait for the market to retrace, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low again. Sam, give me a second just to finish. I'm going to read your comment. Wait for the market to retrace until past resistance here, which is going to be on the other side of the pivot point, and then short the market again with the counter trend and break. Sam on YouTube is asking, is it okay to use pivot point indicator instead of drawing them? Well, there is no right or wrong. If you can spot and understand, I mean to draw the pivot points. Everybody, there is no right or wrong on how you do what you do. The important thing is that you can see spatially what is happening so that you can take advantage of the market. Make sense? You can use indicators, it's not a problem, but are you going to spot those areas? This is the question. That's the question. Everybody take a screenshot photo with your cell phone, PC, whatever, type in the chat done so we can move forward. So you have all of the yen pairs in a downtrend that you can take advantage. Euro yen, AUD yen, AUD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Canada JPY, the yen for the next decade. If there is going to be, if they're not going to change policies, you know, now it's the easiest time for you to make some bucks. I'm not talking about risk, because we need to learn about risk, and the understanding of risk, it's emotional, it's not technical, alright? But at least technically the yen pairs are the no-brainer, because the yen pairs are on the monthly bands. Mo says, I have this indicator that says Camarilla pivot points. Very good, thank you, Mo. how long have you been trading? I'm looking for traders, Mo. Which is Camarilla? Well, I don't know this indicator, so I cannot say if it's good or bad, everybody. Me personally, I'm charting pivot points. I'm using indicators on my system to manage trades, but otherwise charting and the weekly plan, where I believe the market is going to go from Monday to Friday, I have things on the charts. I'm charting. But there is no right or wrong, makes sense? What works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. Alright everybody, so this is AUD/JPY clone chart. Let's go to Euro/JPY monthly chart. Euro/JPY monthly chart. Trading for about a year. Okay, Mo, so learn well. And once you're finished, please call me. Everybody, once you're over the Forex course 101, you're going to be welcome to join the Forex course 202. Everybody, where is Euro/JPY? Euro/JPY is at the monthly band, right? Those are the easiest trades to make. It doesn't matter what methodology or strategy you have. Up in here it's easy to make money once you have the trust and confidence, of course, fair enough. Down in here it's easy to make money, but it's get extremely challenging in between for the professional trader too. Alright, lesson number 1 of the Forex course is going to explain to you why this market behaves like this. If you didn't watch lesson number 1, everybody, what is the technical market structure? Okay, flip coin strategy, very good. And don't judge yourself, everybody. If you're not consistently profitable, pat yourself on the back. It's not your fault. You didn't learn what the institutional traders learn. Okay? So, Euro/JPY monthly chart. Let's try to find some pivot points. I'm going to delete the upper band. So, pivot point in here, right? I'm not sure if there are any other up in here, maybe pivot point again, and this is a pivot point too, and I believe the market didn't. Okay, so we are here, right? If you go on the 4-hour chart again, everybody, right? So you've seen AUD/JPY working with these concepts, how this market works, Forex course 101. Now let's check Euro/JPY. On the 4-hour chart, same is asking the 4-hour chart. Everybody, did or did the market not react to this pivot point area? So I'm charting the market wave on the 4-hour chart, and I need to find extension, retracement extension with a change in the shortened trend. So extension, retracement, we're going to color code this in yellow like this, and transparent. So I'm moving down, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, hard highs, hard lows, change in the shortened trend, and extension. Even though I don't know the future, even though I don't see the future, everybody, did this market react to the pivot point area, yes or no? Yes, 90% of strategies, everybody, that you buy and pick up for somebody else don't work. 90% of strategies, everybody, don't have an edge. So if you are not making it consistently, pat yourself on the back, it's not your fault. It says yes, alright. So can we project, everybody, now that the market most likely is going to come up to here somewhere before it's, let's say that I missed the opportunity, right? I missed this opportunity in here. So now the market is down here, everybody. Okay, can we project? So we don't, me and you, right? Me and you, we don't see the future. So I can say to myself, well, I don't know where, but I'm going to short the market when the market changes the short-term trend. Agreed? Because this is how the market works. And I'm going to monitor the price action with the trend line. So I'm here and I'm monitoring the market, I'm monitoring the market, I'm monitoring the market, I'm monitoring the market, still monitoring the market, still monitoring the market, still monitoring the market. I'm going to readjust my counter trend line, monitoring the market, I'm monitoring the market, and finally, everybody, right? I'm going to go here and make it. So I need a low. Now, do we have a high to low, low to, do we have a shortened downtrend on the counter trend line? On Euro JPY2? Sam says yes, to retraced. Is it anything wrong if I enter the market here? Example, and no, this is not a strategy. But I'm going to wait for the next counter trend line break on the short-term trend, which is here. Even better, right? Better risk-reward ratio. So my stop loss goes up in here, above the yellow market wave. If I'm risking €1, 1 Bitcoin, $1, 1 Lambo, I want to make 2 Bitcoins, 2 euros, 2 Lambos. So the market was in here and consolidation a little bit. Let's see how this is going to play out. And the market retested the pivot point area, so counter trend line again, everybody, and we are here right now. So it went down, right, and we are here right now. Can you do this, everybody? Can you do this? Now remember, the market is going to go down somewhere, most likely down to here. It's going to react to this past resistance again, somewhere. And here you're going to have the next opportunity to short the market. Can you see it, everybody? And this happens on AD JPY, Euro JPY, Canada JPY, CHF JPY, GBP JPY, NZD JPY, because most of those pairs are on the monthly bands. The boss is telling you, short the yen. And if you are not going to make any money, is because of the understanding that what makes the money is the stop loss. I'm telling you, you can call me out anytime. It's time to short the yen, alright? And in the end of the year or 6 months or next year, if you didn't make any if you say, oh, you know, I lost on the yen, it's because you didn't learn where to put the stop loss. Okay, everybody? And fast track. Fast track, everybody. If you're from Philippines or Brazil or Thailand, call me. It's going to be a different cost. But if you're from USA, Europe, Canada, Australia, everybody, to go into the fast track, you need 5,000 euros or dollars. That's the number. Save this money. Go to work, go to your job, and when you have 5,000, call me out. Or call me. With 5,000 euros or dollars, you get the Advanced Institutional Trader course for 1 year. You get all the extra courses for free. Fibonacci Mastery course, Index course, learn how to hedge as a pro, learn how to build a system that makes money for free, everybody, 7 courses for free. You're going to get a Darwin X Zero account for 1 year for free, where you can get funded with real capital, and I'm going to trade with you for 1 year. Okay, this is the cost. Again, if you're from the lower income countries, Thailand, Brazil, Philippines, call me. You're going to have a different. Okay. Oh, that's not fair. That it's completely fair. In Brazil, and I live in Brazil, the average salary is $300. I cannot charge them 5,000. Okay, everybody, so the cost depends on where you live. But this is the fast track. If you want to get successful and learn the skills fast, this is the cost and those are the benefits. Make sense? If you have any questions, send me an email, mikefxboss@gmail.com. Everybody have a great weekend. See you back on Monday. Until Monday, dream about your new house, dream about your new car, because trading is a learnable skill. Alright? Have a great weekend. See you back on Monday. This is the boss signing off.